In this video, we're going to discuss how we move something that you upload to your personal drive and place it into our classroom drive. So here I have a student's drive open, and we are going to open up the video for marketing yourself. In the upper right hand corner, you will select the 3 dots. I call this the snowman. And you're going to select Move To. Once that menu opens, you want to move it to a drive that I have shared with you. So you will select Shared with Me and find our second block or third block or first block folder. Inside that folder, you will find that there is not a folder created for our videos yet, but that is okay. We're just going to go ahead and move it into that classroom folder. It will double check to make sure that you're okay with that, but this is our collaboration folder, so we are okay to let everybody have access. So we'll click the final button to move, and you will see that it has been moved into the classroom folder. I am going to go back to the drive. And you are able to then right-click on your file and rename it Marketing Myself. That is how you turn this assignment in.